The Aegean Sea and its collection of beautiful islands are framed by the coastlines of mainland Greece and Turkey. Millions of tourists of all nationalities come here every year. 3,000 years ago, it was just as popular. The ports of the Aegean would have been crammed with families, workers, soldiers and kings, travelling for trade and to fight. The cities of ancient Greece were often at war with each other. I want to find out more about this vast and complicated civilization, to dig out the real stories behind the myths.
And I'm not just going to the well-known tourist spots, of course not. I'm headed off the beaten track.
I'm Alice Roberts, and I'm travelling hundreds of miles through what is now Greece and Turkey, looking into the flowering of classical civilization from ancient Greece to the Romans.
Oh my goodness, that's wonderful.
To discover this region's vital role as the birthplace of Plato, Socrates, and Alexander the Great, mythology, theatre, and democracy.